Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to make the pleated high-rise gele headgear. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to tie the pleated high-rise gele. This is not a 2-minute video because this takes time and take practice. So I want to make sure that I teach you step by step how to tie your pleated gele, so that when you go to the party, when you go to church, when you go anywhere, people will be looking at you and say, oh, who helped you to tie this gele? But this is do it by yourself. This is easy peasy channel. I will break it down for you step by step so that you'll be able to do it yourself. So sit down and let's start. So the first thing you need, as you know, is your headgear. So today I'll be using this Ankara. And what is the measurement? To know how to tie your pleated gele, you have to know the measurement. So the measurement, there's no particular measurements, but what you have to put in mind is that you must have a longer part and a shorter part. For the longer part, it can be as long as you want. This is my own, as long as you want. The longer it is, the more pleats you will have, and the more high rise, the more levels of the pleats and the more tall your gele will be. And for the length of the shorter parts, all you have to do is to make sure that this shorter part is long enough to wrap around your head and tie. So look at mine. This is it. This is how I measure it to make sure it is long enough to reach my back and to tie it at least 2 times. Just like that. Long enough to tie it at least 2 times at your back. So after you've done this, today we will be using pin. Maybe 2 or max of 2-3 pins. So you need your pin, just tip, and let's go. So what's the first step? You take the shorter part, and this is the longer part. So I will be using the shorter part, and this is the front side of my gele, and this is the back. So I put the back to my chest, because this is do it yourself. You have to be able to handle your gele by yourself. So I put it to my back. I fold it in so that this goes to my head. And then I start my pleats. And how do I start my pleats? I hope you can see me. All I need to do is pick. You pick and you bring it up. You see? It makes 2 pleats, right? Go ahead, pick, bring it up. Like I told you, I'll be slow so that you can learn it. 3 pleats. Pick, bring it up. You see? So you got it? You got it? Yeah. It's easy, right? So you just keep on picking, pleating. Pick, pleats, pick, pleats, pick, pleats, pick, pleats. See what I've done so far? You see our pleating? So I will continue. Like I told you, I'm not rushing. I want to show you all the steps, step by step. You see? All what I'm doing is picking and pleating, right? That's easy enough, right? So I continue. And I'm almost done. Just 2 or 3 more pleats and I'm done. See, this is the last pleat. Can you see it? And I'm done. Don't worry about the arrangement. Once it is on our head, we can do the arrangement. So, but just see the pleat, and this is what we go to my head. Can you see it? So thereafter, you put the pleat somewhere. I'm just laying it down because I want to pack this here. I don't want this here to be on my way. So next, I just bundle my hair so that when I'm tying, my hair is not moving on and on. So next thing, I pick my pleats and I lay it on my head. Just lay it either way. You see? I just lay it. Can you see me laying it? Just lay it on my head, just like that, okay? I hope you can see. See? Just lay. And thereafter, then you count also maybe like 2 or 3 or 5 or 6. I don't know how many pleats you have on your head. Trace it this way also. But this time around, we are not tying first. We want to pin it down. Because now we are reaching the, so like I said, just pick, I'm not counting, just pick as many as you want. But when you want to pick, you bring this one close to your ears. This, the one that I pick, I pin it over, lay it over the one that is on top, and I just pin it down. I don't know what is going on with this pin. Is it blunt? So just, and then trace it, the one you pin down, trace, and bring it also close to your ear, cover it a little bit, the one at your ear. I hope you are looking at it. And take another pin. Just don't worry, we will arrange all this. And pin it down. I like to use minimum pin. Did I pin it? No, I did not pin. This is the pin, so I'm pinning again because I did not pin it the first time. I think my pins are so blunt. So I pin it. Now the last layer. Don't worry if it is looking as if it is scattered. You have your pleat there. Oh, can you see me? Sorry. You still have your pleats, just don't worry. Just don't worry. This is the last layer. So for this one, what do? You just take it like this. Just bring it down. And then tie at the back. Okay? Like I told you, we are not rushing this video. We are trying to learn it easy peasy, right? So just, I grab it. Grab it. And then come to the back and make a second knot. Just trying to knot. Don't worry about this. Now let's see what do we do with this top one. Just don't worry. It's arrangement. We just need to arrange it. So you see, we are still maintaining the pleat. Can you see? I don't know if you are seeing. I'm trying to move closer to the camera, but now the arrangement part. Like I said, don't mind how scattered it is. Now to the arrangement part. So first, you move it to the back, and then you trace the first one that you pick just to the back, covering your ear. This to the back, this down. This to the back, this down, right? Can you see me? Sorry. And then this. And now to the arrangement part. You can loosen it a bit. You see? Still maintaining my pleating. This one, the last one on the top like this, you just want it to roll in and then just keep picking. And once everything is secure, we can use more pins or tie or whatever, but I just want us to still maintain our, so you see, just that way. Maybe use one more pin here just to make sure you go into that party. And to make sure your gele is secure. All these plain, they are so blunt. Don't worry, we will get the job done. And just arrange your gele. You see. Just arrange it. I'm just trying to pull it up so that I can have something high as I want it to be. You can pull it because it's now well secured, so you can pull it. Check your mirror to arrange it. And you can tie a retainer, is well secure, so I'm just tying at the back. All what I'm doing is just tying. We will still arrange the back. It's not a one minute stuff like I told you. So, but I don't know if you can see the pleats. You see, we have our pleats. It's that pleat that you want. And I like my little start from the back, and I'm just pulling my hair to cover the knot at the back. Oh, sorry, I need to show you. I'm just pulling it like this, my hair, because I want my hair to show. Where's the rubber band? I'm trying to lose the rubber band. Yeah, just to cover. And or should I just tie my hair? I just like my hair showing. I think I like it showing. It's so sweaty in here. Helps. And then you go to your party looking like that chick. Looking like the chick that you had. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see the pleat? How many layers? Can somebody count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No? I just love it. I'm just loving it. Lay it flat. Flat, 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 flat. And you have your layer. How many layers? I can't even count. How many layers. See? Just lay it flat. And I should just tuck in my hair. Whatever you do with your hair, it's just my hair. Let me just tuck it in. I think it's much better for me to tuck it in. Though I like my hair showing. But I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you learned.